Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Cleo's chatbot for quick financial questions. Do you need a quick answer on your budgets or spendings or your savings? Cleo's chatbot is the financial assistant that never sleeps, and here's how to use it like a pro. Step 1. Tap the chat icon in the Cleo app. This opens up the chatbot where you can type or select questions. Step 2, ask a question. Now just type things like, how much did I spend this week, or how's my budget looking, or whatever, and it's going to give you the answer. Step 3, review the instant response. Now Cleo will respond with a helpful breakdown of your spending, savings, or tips, sometimes with a bit of sass. Step 4, use shortcuts and prompts. Cleo often offers preset questions or ask me prompts for common concerns like bills, subscriptions, or budget advice. Step 5, keep the conversation going. Now you can ask follow-ups, make changes to savings goals, or you can just get advice all in the same chat window. With Cleo's chatbot, you got a financial BFF in your pocket. No waiting, no confusion, just straight up answers when you need them the most. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.